Here we have a hand wire stripper. We got it hooked up to a bench here. We're going to demonstrate a cut. It's already set up. It's clamped on both sides of these wheels, and basically you're just going to pull it and kind of hold the blade down a little bit. Basically, we'll take one of these skinnier strips and then cut that piece too. Just gotta loosen these up, set it right around there. Okay, once you got that tight, well, you want to adjust your blade, so I'll adjust it just a little bit more here. Okay, so once you got that, you're gonna kind of push your blade down to the insulation and just pull. You always want to get your cable semi straight.